for sure, marami dito mga ka-RFF, if lalo na kung meron na kayong investment, naglagay lang sila, then that's it. Iniwan na nila ng matagal, hindi na nila nabalikan. So, although you've mentioned kanina earlier, Sir Enro, about discipline, minsan kasi, ang mga Pilipino, kulang talaga sa konting nudge eh. No? Parang, paano kaya natin sila matutulungan sa part na yun?
I think, and medyo i-plug lang natin yung platform natin no, na si Ramper Online. That's one reality that we really experience sa Ramper na minsan alam na nga ng clients natin na kailangan mag-invest, kailangan monthly. So what we did is, why don't we automate it for them? Diba? What they need to do na lang is to register their amount and the fund that they want to invest in. Tapos through auto-debit arrangement, through the banks, tayo na yung nagko-collect and nag-invest on their behalf. So parang if you're an employee, familiar kayo na every payslip may kaltas na yung Pag-ibig, may kaltas na yung SSS. Mas madali na yun kasi yung nakuha mong pera, net of those charges, is gagastusin mo na for your lifestyle. So yun yung gusto nating gawin in terms of their investments also. Na tayo na yung magko-collect on their behalf para automated na sa ating mga ka-RFFs. Hindi na nila kailangan isipin to every month or every week. So I think that's one way, no? Automation, being able to automate your finances. But also number 2, making sure na talagang community, we go back to that. Appreciation for other people being accountable and having that appreciation for learning together and being part of a community.